Mirajul Islam pulled one back from the penalty here. The match officials on our screens right now: Mohammad Jafran, Lahiru Jainethithi, Hemkumar Sunwar and Ukien Penjor are the officials for this match today.
An intense battle between these two friendly nations. There you go, the Nepal starting 11 on your screen. We will be having a look at the formation in a while. What has Coach Urjan Shrestha planned? A 4-4-3 formation. Jared Sheikh, as always, in pole position. Sabin Khimere on the left.
Now it's the team list of Bangladesh. Mohammad Asif, the savior, the hero last time out. And the four defenders are Asadul Shakib, Ahad Topu, Rajiv Hussain and Rostam Dukumia in the right back position by the coach.
Well, everything said and done. Here we go with the whistle of the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. The host nation, Nepal versus Bangladesh Under-20. Here we go. The early minutes of the game, both teams, Nepal, as you can see, on full red kit, Bangladesh wearing their white kit. Nepal on the attack, and every attack of Nepal will be a roar from the audience. Loss of possession. A moment when the Nepali fans had their hearts in their mouth. It was that kind of moment.
Oh, what a tackle. You beauty. What a tackle there by Ashwin Gorasaini.
With so many people in, and that shows the passion of football that lies in the hearts of the Nepalese.
As we knew, the game was supposed to happen in Dasra Stadium.
Long ranger by Nepal, and what a clearance that was! Mohammad Asif, talk about the attempt and talk about the save. In for the attack now. Ball possession have been lost by Anil Bomjon. Well, he has been good at times and he has been confused at times as we see him since he's come on.
Looking for a card there, the number 10, Mirajul.
Beautiful 1-2. Can the number 10 put it in? Has been brought down. Number 10. Ram Thapa is not happy. Says he got some foot on the ball. It is a chance right on the stroke of the halftime for this Bangladesh side.
Quite intelligent there by the number 10. He felt the contact and you knew the ball was going out, so he rather went down. That's technically a foul, and that's quite intelligent so there by the number 10. Will this be the game changer for Bangladesh? They have been the underdogs here, but one stroke of luck can change their entire setup here.
They can do it now. Will it be Mirajul Islam? Three players lining up for the free kick. Mirajul! Oh! What a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. Bangladesh lead on the stroke of the halftime. The home team is taken back by surprise. The arena is silenced and the Bangladeshi rejoice. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one who won the free kick. And look at the joy, the sheer joy of the Bangladeshi players from the bench. This is what Bangladesh is capable of. They're capable of brilliant things here.
That might.
Rabi will measure the width of the mat, of the field here. Rabi. Asadul with a cross here, could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again. And this time, Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh. And they have been quite brave. And they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. He gets his second of the game, and he is now the leading scorer in this competition. Change the face of the game. Can the substitutes for Nepal do the trick for coach Urjan Shrestha?
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left-hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat-trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Robbie. Robbie Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the third goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Robbie Hussain Rahul scores the third goal for Bangladesh. They have been caught in the break, Nepal, and now Bangladesh one step closer to the trophy.
Well, the lone photographer for Bangladesh stands at the other end to take the golden moments, and this might be the last nail in the coffin in this match. Look at that footwork. Was on a hat-trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rahul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared Sheikh. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot, and he knew from the moment the ball left his foot, it was going in for a goal.
Harish Raj Bhatta, Ram Thapa, Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here, Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Tamang. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. They show their bravery. And it's 10 minutes between them and the equalizer. It's 10 minutes for Nepal to save their campaign here. A yellow card there. There is some
look at the
confusions.
replay, and that was a free header. This time around, he did not miss it. A clear eye on the goal, and he was free as well. He took all he can, and the supporters are now jumping, enjoying. Can Nepal come back from it?
Rohan gets the ball. Combining other two forwards, Niranjan Dhami. Opportunity was being given to Samir. A good clearance from the Bangladeshi defender.
Well, they are pushing. Nepal are pushing for the goal. And look at that move. Talk about that move. He was onside, Samir. If not for the defender, Samir could have been clean through on goal. What a performance.
They have very less minutes here. 5 minutes or so. Rabi, oh my God. This guy. Rabi Hussain with the cross. And this time, it's a clearance. Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal.
It has been given as a goal, Abhinav. It has been given as a goal by the referee. Assistant referee has seen the ball crossing the line. And it's Bangladesh who put the fourth goal in. And now, possibly, just possibly, that's the final nail in the coffin. The pass came from Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rahul. And his teammate made no mistake to finish it. They just scored a fourth goal, but they might have killed the hopes of Nepal.
Okay, let's see. In the replay then. The ball was certainly... I do not think so, Avash. I certainly do not think so. It went inside.